Yeah.
Are we doing Ryan Zarya?
Ryan Zarya.
No, double shield, eh?
Night
Big
market.
points.
Night market we could do either.
Which
Well,
one's
this is
night
Mary
market? I
from
can't remember.
I TP point.
Point off to the left or right. No pits. We could do Ryan Zarya or we could do Arista Sigma. It's up to you, Ken.
It's a Sigma. I'm better at Sigma than I am Zarya, to be fair.
I'm better at Ryan than I am at Arista. That's a problem.
Well, Sigma has carry potential and double shield's cancer, so let's do it.
This map.
I'm
Do we
sorry,
So we
want
just go
Zen?
like Sim A here then.
Do
I
we
think
want
Zen
Zen or
Bab,
Bab here?
I think both.
Zen and
Bab.
Bab?
Yeah.
Len, did you pray to the
Wisteria, you need to switch to DPS. Otherwise, Gav can't pick a heal.
It's fine. Oh. Sad face.
Who prayed to the tank?
We got an Ash here? Okay.
Repick it, be good.
This is payback.
Ash can set up on top left when we fight
We
in
need
the
to play
middle.
closer if we are gonna play Reaper. I'm fucking done that way. Don't push on that. Thank you.
TP, guys.
They're playing Ryan Zarya. Pulling.
Let's go, Ryan. Let's go, Ryan.
Why didn't we TP point?
Ryan,
on
shield
the
down,
left side,
Ryan,
on the
shield down.
Can we kill Zarya? Nice.
We push up, we push up.
We
Kill Doom,
Seal,
stop Doom.
Seal,
Have a
seal,
top.
seal.
Fold in
Still
main. Back to his
Doom
team.
behind us. Doom and Sombra are
Hold
still
point, hold
around.
point on point. It's better for our comp.
I'd like to set the TP back. Oh.
Looking for a rock. Fun. Take back off and take that TP if shit hits the fan.
I'm just spamming a bit into them.
Got a fire.
Okay, they have a Pharah around the far
Come on,
right
Hanzo.
on the point.
No more Sombra.
Shield almost down here.
Not the Sombra
We're
switch.
killing
Okay.
main,
they
the
offer-
double body. The gun double shield main.
Oh, I got slapped, what the fuck?
We need to deal with this fire behind shield gone.
Still in the Sigma.
That.
I don't have a shield. I don't have a shield. I don't have a shield.
He's still
Only
far
shield.
flanking.
Yeah, we have nothing against the Pharah.
Oh,
Play around her line of sight.
nice, huge. Still only some heals, I'm coming back.
Can we get the Sigma mid?
Shielding far here.
I'm pulling mid.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, I hit one, hit one. Oh, that was good. Kill this Hanzo then.
Just got melted. Fuck.
Oh, don't pull him back, please don't pull
Is
him
it one?
back. Cars one.
Fars one, nice.
Hands on
Obviously,
right,
right?
hands on point, hands on point, hands on point. Just stall, just stall.
Don't think we needed that, but oh well.
Nice, nice, nice. You can get the hands.
Anna.
Good job.
See, didn't I tell you I was a good Sigma?
Oh, there
We should have pooped the Mercy off the map with a rock.
Let's play aggressive here.
We can play
Yeah,
up front here.
Position more aggressive, don't let them touch point.
We know
I
the
can
far
do
is.
wall. I'll do wall.
Ball touch, ball fire touch.
They teleported up top.
Sigma's
All
discorded.
the sim turrets in middle.
Yeah,
Guys,
we.
they're on
Oh,
point.
it's-
There's 3 of you at spawn, but they're half their team's on the point.
Yeah, they have no supports there.
Yeah, but we lost the point.
And then we just reset.
Yeah, we only need to go to point.
Yeah, so full. We can TP top right.
We got 3 ults coming up.
Careful here.
Uh,
Some turret outside.
they will probably have Sigma ult. They just used Barrage. Did they use Symmetra?
Yeah,
Oh,
they just
no.
go there.
Holy shit, I got hooked.
Okay, that was a big anti.
Let's get build a ult for this.
We're all dead.
Think of ults, it's fine.
Just regroup, please. We're
There we
getting
go.
staggered. Like, Zen, back up, please.
We can
I
now.
might have sim ult now. Because
Ooh. What ults do they have?
Wait, we can
Okay,
TP up
come
here.
left.
We can
I've
go
got
guys, we can TP up
supercharger.
here.
I don't know how much the ball did yet. I don't think he has mines.
Their bell is 60 back towards mines. The Sigma's got his ult. The Mercy's got her ult. Pharah's about 50 back to Barrage. They've got Nano. I think they might have some ult, but I don't know. I lost track. I'm using my ult here.
I almost have Matrix here.
You usually got one.
Ball is discarded. Ball is discarded.
I have Matrix.
Push past the barrier. Push past. Okay, we need to stay here for now.
Left.
Reset.
Right side, left side.
Reset. You're -2. -2.
Fire.
Sim on you guys. Reset.
Back up.
We can't fight this one.
Swap off Sigma Marissa. Let's go.
You wait for Sim?
Yeah, we need to rush the point.
Yeah, go ball. I'm going ball to make point.
I'll stay for wall.
Go around right side.
I'll put a wall up. 1 point. Wall up.
Nice to touch, nice.
Ball is discarded.
I killed the Pharah.
Kill this Mercy, can kill a Mercy. On a low, on a one. Huge, touch.
We can't, there's mines on the way.
Better to die than to see now.